The world of technology is constantly evolving, and with it, the field of artificial intelligence, AI, is also rapidly advancing. One exciting topic that has been gaining attention in recent years is the concept of generative models. Generative models are a type of AI model that can create new, synthetic data that is similar to the original input data. This technology has a wide range of applications, from creating realistic images and videos to generating new, unique musical compositions. Generative models use a variety of techniques to create new data. One popular approach is to use neural networks, which are designed to mimic the behavior of the human brain. These networks are trained on a dataset of existing data, such as a collection of images or audio files, and then use that information to create new data that is similar in style and content to the original. One type of generative model that has gained a lot of attention in recent years is the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, model. The GPT model is a type of language model that is capable of generating coherent and meaningful text. It has been trained on vast amounts of text data, allowing it to create new text that is similar in style and tone to the original input. This technology has a wide range of applications, from creating chatbots and virtual assistants to generating new, unique written content. Another exciting application of generative models is in the field of visual arts. Researchers have developed generative models that can create photorealistic images and videos. These models use techniques such as GANs, Generative Adversarial Networks, to create images that are indistinguishable from real photographs. This technology has a wide range of applications, from creating virtual environments for video games and movies to generating images for scientific research. Generative models can also be used to create new music. Researchers have developed models that can generate new, unique musical compositions that are similar in style to existing pieces of music. These models use techniques such as RNNs, Recurrent Neural Networks, to analyze existing musical compositions and then use that information to generate new compositions. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the music industry, allowing musicians to easily create new and unique pieces of music without needing to spend years studying music theory. In addition to their artistic applications, generative models also have practical uses. They can be used to generate new data for scientific research, such as creating synthetic medical images for use in diagnostic tools. They can also be used to generate new, realistic data for machine learning algorithms, allowing these algorithms to be trained on more diverse and comprehensive datasets. Overall, the field of generative models is an exciting and rapidly evolving area of AI research. From creating new music and art to generating synthetic data for scientific research, these models have a wide range of practical applications. As researchers continue to develop new techniques and improve existing models, we can expect to see even more exciting advancements in this field in the years to come.